Is wearing a diadem for long hair, which is a type of plastic hairband, fall under imitation of the women?
I don't know. What is that? For the women underneath their scarf, you mean, or what is that?
I'm googling
that word, please.
Diadem.
I have to show me the picture as well.
Ask AI and use latest technology. All around the band, which clips the hair at the back.
I haven't seen it, but anyway, if the question is to say that imitating, if a person imitates, then that has to be the thing that he's putting. Symbol is known. As soon as I see it, I will know that this is a symbol of such and such. If I've seen a person with a rope, black one, with a hood, and it's got a belt in it, I would say he's a priest. He's a priest, okay? But if I see a white one coming up from the bathroom, I will know it's a rope for the bathroom. Okay, it's a difference. So the symbols, which as soon as you put them, you're known that you are from this. So if you are putting, the Sikh hat, in a way the Sikh, they will know this is Sikh, isn't it? Sikh hat is different. I know this person, he's got no Sikh, no Sikh. Okay.
It's something like that. They hold the whole band to hold.
For the sisters?
This is males and the people.
The brothers are asking, sister or the male should not be putting like this until he's got a scarf, for example, to cover his hair, but to put it like this for the men, show that he's got tie up like this. For the women, this is imitating of the woman, of course.
Diadem all around, the band which holds the hair.
That's, for the men, is imitating the woman. For the women, as underneath the scarf, no problem. Even underneath the scarf is allowed for them. But the men to do that, unless it's underneath the scarf, to make sure that his hair, for example, does not go anywhere, and he's got no any intention to imitate. Allah Musta'an.